Today, we are going to be reviewing the FirstClose plugin that is available to be enabled inside of your MeridianLink LoansPQ system. Once you have the FirstClose system enabled, you will be able to enter in your home equity application. And when you're ready to order settlement services, you can click on the Underwriting Info tab on the left-hand side. At the very bottom, we will enable a button that says FirstClose for the usernames that you want to be able to have access to ordering. When you click that button, it's going to load your pre-programmed FirstClose 1 settings and configurations, and it's going to pull in all data points from what you've already entered into the application. If there are any missing data points, you can click Edit and fill in those data points. And once you complete that and click Save, you'll notice that on the left-hand side, it's going to automatically select the loan parameters. So we can pre-program in your loan type, loan amounts, credit scores, and LTVs. And load in on the right-hand side, you'll see the services that are programmed in to be ordered for this loan type. So for a home equity loan under $250,000, under 80% LTV, you have subject property details, your AVM, your life alone flood certification, and your instant property report, which will give you current mortgages, property report, deed, and tax status. Now, you can manually overwrite that and select a different package. And as you click through each additional package, you'll notice that the settlement services programmed in for that loan type or those loan parameters change. And any additional fields or information that are needed for specific product types that may change or get updated will give you additional fields to input that data and information to make sure that each vendor gets all the data points that they need for the products that are being ordered. You'll also have individual products loaded in, such as appraisals, closings, valuations, your flood cert, property condition reports, title work, recording, and AVMs. So if you want, you can unselect the package and you can select an individual product that you may want to order first. If not, you can leave the original package selected, click Submit Order, and you'll see in real time this technology that is connected to all of these other products, systems, database, and vendor systems will grab that information and pull it back in a matter of seconds. And you'll be able to see in real time if that data was completed, if it goes into a pending status, meaning an appraiser needs to go to the property or an abstractor needs to go to the county, or if it failed or canceled. We can also program in that if a particular product fails, we can have it auto bump to another product type. So for example, this particular one is ordering an AVM from First American Data Tree. We can set in pre-programmed confidence score requirements where the AVM has to meet a particular confidence score to complete. And if it doesn't meet that confidence score, we can auto order the next valuation type, which would be a desktop evaluation completed by a real estate specialist. So we can also program in all of the product types that you want ordered and what secondary ordering decisions you want completed should the first one fail out. That way it completely streamlines your loan fulfillment from entering the application into LoansPQ, auto-selecting what services to be ordered in your FirstClose system, and it is automated through ordering to give you completed files that match your underwriting guideline requirements. When every single service is completed, it's going to bundle in your PDFs. Those are going to be viewable instantaneously. So you'll have photos of the property. You'll have your valuation, whatever valuation type completed. You'll have your life of loan flood cert from vendor of choice. And within one screen, you'll be able to navigate to see your title work, your deed, your flood cert, your valuation. If you have any questions or need assistance, you'll be able to select the notes icon by each product type to request any updates or revisions or request ETAs. So let's say you're looking at your deed and you have a question, you can click the notes icon beside your deed. It's going to allow you to select if you want to request support from FirstClose customer support or the vendor. You'll select your type, ETA, update, cancel, data incorrect. You'll be able to select a priority. You'll be able to attach any documents that you want to go over with your request. And you'll be able to communicate back and forth with your vendors and FirstClose customer support, again, right within the one screen. Once you're finished with everything that you want to order, you can close out your FirstClose screen. You'll be back in your LoansPQ application. All data points from the services that you ordered that completed will be populated back into LoansPQ. So your estimated property value, value source, and data value source will automatically be filled in. Your census tract, MSA, state code, all of your flood fields will automatically populate. Under the legal description tab, your legal description and your vesting description will automatically populate from your title work. And in the letters and docs, all of your PDFs will automatically append into the scan and uploaded documents section. Once that's reviewed through underwriting and you're ready to close or record, you'll go back into your LoansPQ application. Select your underwriting info tab. Click on your FirstClose button. It's going to pull up that prior file where you've already ordered everything and all of your data is going to be available. And you can click under the individual products to order a remote notary or attorney closing. You can fill in your preferred time, your borrower contact information, and you can upload your documents. The notary will contact your borrower to schedule that closing. You can also record your documents, so you can select recording. For counties that accept e-recording, you can upload your mortgages directly into the system. If the AVM gets analyzed and you determine that you need an appraisal, you can add on a full or drive-by appraisal. And again, anytime you close out of your FirstClose screen, you'll be back in your LoansPQ application, and anything that you ordered will overwrite any prior fields, and all PDFs will be dropped into your letters and docs section. For more information about getting your LoansPQ system enabled with the FirstClose plugin, please visit the FirstClose website at www.firstclose.com.